Hi, I'm Narendra Kumar. I'm a senior data architect with 12 years of experience in IT. I'm a Databricks certified solution architect champion, and recently Databricks has awarded me as this most valuable professional award. This is specifically for this YouTube channel. So, if you are already a subscriber, I am very thankful for your continuous support. And if you are not a subscriber yet, you shall definitely hit the subscribe button if you want to stay up to date about data engineering and Databricks related stuff. I have gathered my entire knowledge about Databricks into this one playlist that I'm updating each and every month. So if you are very beginner in Databricks, you can start from the very first video. If you are already a working professional, you can pick the topics of your choosing. We start from very basic and then we go to the very advanced topics as well. And this playlist, it also include 3 end-to-end data engineering projects that you can do hands-on on Databricks Free Edition itself entirely for free. And to help you further, I have also created a interview questions video where I have shared the real industry level questions that are asked about Databricks. So, what else you might need? And in this playlist, I will keep updating more and more videos in upcoming weeks. So, you shall bookmark this playlist, subscribe to this channel to stay up to date about everything. And if you have any specific topic in mind or you are facing any problem in Databricks, so you can put it in the comments. I will try to create a video around it and post it in the same playlist. And if you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, feel free to send the request. The link is there in the description. I already know that we are going to stay in touch for very long time. So best wishes on your long journey with me. Happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.